Konnichiwa. Calling international parental abduction a tragedy, ambassadors of 8 Western nations urge Japan to protect children regardless of citizenship.
It's an important issue, and we appreciate you taking the time.
Ambassadors from the U.S., Canada, France, Italy, New Zealand, Spain, the UK, and Australia all joined to meet Japan's justice minister to urge the country to sign the Hague Convention on International Child Abduction. Japan is the only G7 nation that has not signed, and the ambassadors say it has impacted the children of its nations. This comes on the same day American Christopher Savoy left Fukuoka, Japan. Savoy is embroiled in a bitter custody dispute with his ex-wife Noriko, a Japanese citizen. She took their 2 children, Isaac and Rebecca, out of the United States to the shock of her American ex-husband. A U.S. court then awarded Savoy sole custody, an order ignored in Japan. Frustrated, Savoy came to Japan 3 weeks ago and grabbed the children as they walked to school with their mother. Police arrested him just steps from the U.S. consulate and detained him in this jail charged with child kidnapping. Authorities chose not to indict him. If Japan ratified the Hague Convention, an international body would mediate disputes like this. Since Savoy's arrest, parents who say their children have been abducted by ex-spouses have renewed their call for Japan to sign the Hague Treaty. But ratifying the treaty isn't as important, say parents, as enforcement.
It's not just signing. As you know, a law without compliance is basically about as valuable as the piece of paper it's written on. It's worthless. If you don't enforce it, then what's the point of even having it?
A major stumbling block would be the family courts, which critics say lack the teeth to back up court orders, both domestic and international. But first things first, the countries that met with Japan say signing the treaty would be a positive first step. Kyung Law, CNN, Tokyo.